welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I have not ordered a Fab Fit Fun box in probably like 6 years, so I decided to give them a try again 6 years later. So let's see what is in the fall box. They have a magazine, coupon code. Oh look, it's $80 off HelloFresh. Too bad I already have a subscription service with HelloFresh. It says to claim within 30 days. Honestly, I don't mind HelloFresh, it's actually pretty good. Here's what the box looks like. Go look-see. So you can see already there's obviously like full-size products of stuff. I actually went to cosmetology school at Aveda, so the fact that they threw in some Aveda Damage Remedy, that's pretty cool. That's a cool product. So yeah. Let's take this out one by one. So this is the leave-in treatment. They do make like a shampoo, conditioner, and a few other things. But yeah, this is the leave-in treatment, which is great because I just ran out of my leave-in treatment. And then there's this body souffle. Doesn't really smell like anything. I've never heard of this brand before, but it says it's vegan and cruelty free, so there's that. Gold eye mask. I've never used it. Ooh, and there's like a whole box of them. By Wander Beauty. Have you ever used eye masks? Because I've never used eye masks before. They just look like that and you just sit underneath your eye beds. So yeah, cool. Let's see what else is in here. The Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser, Scrub, and Mask. Pretty big container too. That's cool. Alright, lots of shredded confetti. Ooh, exfoliating sugar cubes. I'm sensing a theme of like bath stuff. And it's in the scent of exactly? Yeah, it smells very fruity. Almost like a papaya kind of fruit smell. Alright, this is a mystery. Oh, so yeah, so you could like pick something, or you could say like, oh, I want it to be a mystery, which I think is interesting. They changed that up in there. So this is a exfoliant mitt. Again, I'm sensing a theme of like bath stuff. The last Fab Fit Fun box I got like an apron and like some really cool like other stuff. But it is a self-esteem beauty sleep serum. I'm curious as to why they say self-esteem. Let's see what's in here. It's a wallet, guys, and I don't think it's very fancy. Huh, it's a cute little wallet, I guess. Like, kind of feels a little cheap. A hair turban. I have one of these and I like it. after going through this box, and I believe that's it, I have to say, there's clearly a theme of like bath here. I didn't really think that that was necessarily fall themed, but I only spent 20 bucks on this, and clearly I can tell you right now that this is about 35. So overall, I'll see what's in the winter box. I'm not overly impressed. I'll give them one more chance, but not the coolest thing. About 6 years ago when I tried this, I thought it was really cool. Now, not so much. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.